how to delete all TikTok videos at once. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to clean up your TikTok account and delete all the videos at once, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give a thumbs up to the video. So first open the TikTok app and then click on the three horizontal dots on the top. And then tap on settings and privacy. Then under content and display, go to activity center. And there scroll down until you see manage post visibility, tap on it. And then here you'll see all your posts. What you have to do is tick on the boxes, choose any videos that you want, and then tap on next. And then set the option to only you and tap on update. And that's it. Now all your TikTok videos will only be visible to you and not your friends. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.